Whenever I want my makeup to look flawless, I'm just gonna come back to this video and do this entire routine all over again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day so far. It is 5:30 in the morning. I actually woke up a little bit earlier than the kids and I've gotten so much done. This is the third time, maybe the fourth time I do this, and I just feel like I'm so much more productive when I wake up a lot earlier than the kids. So I want to make this a routine. Do it every single day, maybe not the weekends, but Monday through Friday, I think it will be very helpful to do that. So I want to start doing that every single day. So I'm going to start getting ready with you guys using my Sephora order. These are all the products that I picked up during the Sephora sale. I have my coffee here, my Linksy Boo, my Haley. Actually, Linksy Boo's birthday is next week and I'm so excited. He's turning 3 and we're going to Florida. We're going to take him to Disney. So I definitely want to vlog that for you guys. I might do a packing video, show you guys what I take to Disney. We've been quite a few times now, so I'm not a pro, but I know exactly things that I should be bringing, things that I shouldn't bring. So if you guys want to see that, please let me know in the comments below. So anyways, let's just go ahead and dive in. I need to hydrate these lips because they're so dry. I'm gonna go in with this Caudalie Vinoperfect serum. I picked this up in a set during the Sephora sale and I've been really liking it. The serum claims to be really good for brightening dark spots, which is something that I struggle with and I really want to get rid of, especially on the sides of my face. It feels really nice on the skin. I'm also going to bring it down to my neck. But overall, I'm really excited about it. It came with 2 products, 2 more little tiny products. So it's a really good introduction for the brand because I'm not really familiar with a lot of Caudalie products. Aside from their mist, which I love, and like their clay mask, those 2 products I've used for a few years now and I really love, but I haven't really explored any more into the brand. So I'm really excited to try this and see how it works for my skin. Up next, I picked up the Summer Fridays SPF 30. I had this a while ago and I really liked it. And then I finished it and I never repurchased it, but I really like this SPF. It feels really nice. And honestly, when I had it, I wore it mostly like on no makeup days because it felt really nice on the skin. It doesn't leave a white cast. You just have to make sure you blend it well into the skin. The skin is definitely giving today. Look at that glow. You guys, I have been obsessed with this foundation. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know I've been raving about it. It is so good. And honestly, like it's great for all skin types because it's such a natural foundation, but the coverage is so good. So I was initially using shade number 16 and that's a really good tan shade for me. But as my tan fades, I need something a little bit lighter. So I went down to 12 light neutral and it's the perfect shade for me. And it has this really nice applicator that makes it easy for you to apply on the skin. And it's transfer proof, it's waterproof. A little bit goes a long way. I mean, I cannot say enough good things about this foundation. I'm gonna use this Sigma F48 brush. I just got this in the mail and I really love it. This is part of their new brush collection. It's so soft. I mean, look at that coverage. That is gorgeous. I can't believe I haven't tried this before, but I picked up the Milk Makeup Contour and Bronzer Sticks. These are so cute and tiny and I've been using them and I really like it. I'm gonna start off first with the contour. I picked it up in the shade Toasted. And I feel like this is a really good shade to really just define my face and contour my nose. And because it's so little and skinny, I can easily just really get into my nose, into the sides, and really just kind of like contour it before I go in with bronzer. I picked up the bronzer in the shade Dazed. This is the perfect like everyday on the go, warm up the skin kind of product. Blend that in. I did repurchase my Dior Forever Skin Correct concealer in the shade 2N. I went through a complete tube of this concealer. I can't believe I'm even saying that, but it took me a while for me to go through it. This is such a great full coverage concealer. It looks so beautiful under the eyes. It lasts all day. The shade selection is perfect. This is one of my favorites. I mean, it's a little bit pricey and that's why I bought it during the Sephora sale. But if you haven't tried it, I mean, I highly recommend it. This one, the Hourglass, and which other one do I love? My Lancome one. Those are like my top 3. I'm gonna let that concealer marinate for a few minutes, well, maybe like a minute or two, and then I'll go in and blend it. But while that's sitting, I'm gonna go in and do my press-on lashes. This is not from the Sephora sale, but these are my absolute favorite press-on lashes. No glue, you literally just press them on and you're ready to go. I get them off Amazon, and this is my little stash right here. I am gonna do, let's do 12. 12 and 14 are like my favorite sizes. This is what they look like once they're fully on. I'm gonna go in and blend in my concealer. I'm telling you, let your concealer sit for a good minute before you blend it out. Not only does it blend better, but it also sits so nice on the skin. And when you put your powder on top, it's gonna look so much better. I picked up the Hourglass translucent powder and I've been really liking it. I'm using this Beauty Blender puff. I'm just gonna press it on the back of my hand and then press that right under my eyes. This is such a beautiful fine powder and it makes my skin look like I have a filter. Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Skin is looking so good. I picked up this Kosas Sun bronzer. I'm really excited about it. I've tried a few products from Kosas and everything I've tried I really like. So this is something that I have not tried from the brand that I really wanted to try. They have some like really good core products. So I'm gonna use the shade Beachy. This is so pretty. I do see it has a little bit of a shimmer, which I like, especially for like a summer makeup look. Oh, that is pretty. That is a gorgeous shade. I mean, instantly you can see it and it's not going in patchy or anything. It's blending really nice on the skin. You guys, I don't even want to wear blush today because I feel like this look is so pretty without it. And I'm like, let's do something soft, maybe like a peachy blush. I'm gonna take my Patrick Ta blush. I know I have a really pretty soft one. I just can't remember the name of it. Let's see. Oh, this one, Not Too Much. I love this shade. This is a gorgeous, pretty shade for an everyday wear. This is a Glossier mascara, and you guys, I am so in love with it. And I haven't been wearing mascara for a while because I've been doing my press-on lashes, but this just changed it for me. It makes my lashes look so long. Hold up, wait till you see it completely done. Like my bottom lashes actually end up touching my skin. That's how long it makes it look. And I don't think I've ever had a mascara do that before for me because I do have super short lashes. I mean, I've been doing a really good job at consistently using my lash serum and my brow serum because I'm on a brow and lash growth journey and hopefully it grows super soon. I mean, I'm already seeing the results, so I'm really happy about that. It's the Amazon one. I'll link it in the description box below. If you haven't tried it, girl, run, because this will make your lashes grow super fast. I'll link it in the description box below. I just got it off Amazon and it's Prime delivery, but look at the difference. Look at my bottom lashes. Like, the difference is insane. I didn't pick up any new lip products, but I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 lip pencil and this Patrick Ta Major Volume lip gloss. I'm gonna finish off with the One Size mattifying spray. This is going to make my makeup last all day and it's still super early. It's 6:53, so I still have some time. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this directly on my skin. Whenever I want my makeup to look flawless, I'm just gonna come back to this video and do this entire routine all over again because this is my absolute favorite dream makeup. It looks so good. It's simple, it's soft, it's still put together. I love it. Anyways, this is everything I picked up during the Sephora sale. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to get ready for the day. I have my closet coming in today, so I'm really excited about that. I am going to vlog the transformation for my channel, so you guys will see that in the upcoming videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. I'll link everything that I used in the description box below, and I'll see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.